Imagine if you could transform your life in just a few moments each day, unlocking a wellspring of positivity and abundance. What if the key to this transformation is already within you, just waiting to be activated? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to reprogram your mind using powerful holistic techniques for instant positive change. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can harness the power of meditation, visualization, and energy healing to create immediate and profound shifts in your life. But first, let me share a story that changed my life and will change yours too. Several years ago, I was stuck in a cycle of negativity. No matter how hard I tried, it seemed like I couldn't break free from my own limiting beliefs and self-doubt. I felt overwhelmed and powerless. Then, I discovered the power of holistic techniques. I began to incorporate meditation, visualization, and energy healing into my daily routine. The results were nothing short of miraculous. My mindset shifted, my energy levels soared, and opportunities that I never thought possible began to unfold. Today, I'm here to share these powerful tools with you. Let's start with meditation, one of the most effective methods for reprogramming your mind. Meditation helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. When you meditate, you enter a state of deep relaxation where your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to positive suggestions. To get started, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your back straight and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your body, starting from your head and flowing down to your toes. Now, focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. As you settle into this state of relaxation, begin to introduce positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that reflect what you want to achieve. For example, you might say to yourself, "I am confident and capable," or "I attract abundance into my life." Repeat these affirmations silently in your mind, allowing them to resonate deeply within you. Visualization is another powerful technique that can complement your meditation practice. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. This process helps to align your subconscious mind with your goals, making it easier for you to achieve them. To practice visualization, start by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Once you feel relaxed, imagine yourself achieving your goals. See yourself living your dream life in as much detail as possible. What do you see? What do you hear? How do you feel? The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. For instance, if you want to manifest a new job, picture yourself in your ideal workplace. See yourself performing your tasks with confidence and ease. Imagine your colleagues praising your work and your boss acknowledging your contributions. Feel the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes with doing what you love. By regularly practicing visualization, you are training your mind to focus on positive outcomes, which can help to attract these experiences into your life. Energy healing is the third technique we'll explore today. This practice involves working with the body's energy field to promote healing and well-being. One of the most accessible forms of energy healing is Reiki, a Japanese technique that uses the laying on of hands to channel healing energy. To begin, find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine a ball of white light above your head. This light represents pure healing energy. Visualize this light slowly descending and entering the top of your head. Feel it filling your entire body with warmth and healing energy. As the light flows through you, focus on any areas of tension or discomfort. Imagine the light dissolving these blockages and restoring balance to your energy field. You can also use your hands to direct the energy. Place your hands on or near the areas where you feel tension or discomfort and visualize the healing light flowing from your hands into your body. Trust in the process and allow the energy to work its magic. Combining these holistic techniques can create a powerful synergy that amplifies their effects. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to practice meditation, visualization, and energy healing. Be consistent. And remember that these practices are tools to help you reprogram your mind and align with your highest potential. Over time, you'll notice a profound shift in your mindset, energy levels, and overall well-being. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of consistency and patience. Reprogramming your mind is not an overnight process, but with dedication and regular practice, you can achieve remarkable results. Make a commitment to yourself to integrate these techniques into your daily routine. Even if it's just for a few minutes each day, the impact can be life-changing. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, share one positive affirmation or visualization that you're going to start using today. I'd love to hear about your journey and support you in any way I can. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Recode Yourself, for more transformative content. Remember, you have the power to reprogram your mind and create the life you desire. In this video, we've explored the powerful combination of meditation, visualization, and energy healing to reprogram your mind for instant positive change. Meditation helps to calm the mind and increase self-awareness, making it easier for your subconscious mind to accept positive suggestions. Visualization aligns your subconscious with your goals, making it easier to achieve them. Energy healing promotes balance and well-being by working with your body's energy field. Together, these techniques create a powerful synergy that can transform your life. Remember, the key to success is consistency and patience. Make a commitment to practice these techniques regularly, and you'll begin to see profound changes in your mindset and overall well-being. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the related video for more in-depth insights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time here on Recode Yourself.